Hello students, this is a continuation video of the first video. In first video I told you about stock and flow, but here in this video I will explain what are the three phases of circular flow. You all know what is circular flow. Circular, as it is clear from this word circular. Circular matlab which moves in a circle. If you are giving to this will give to this, and this will give to this. Okay, this is a vicious circle. If production is there, consumption is there, and expenditure is there. Okay, so we will talk about this three phases of circular flow in this video. Now, first of all, meaning of circular flow of income. Circular flow or CFI is defined as the flow of payments and receipts for goods and services and factor services between different sectors of the economy. When we say different sectors, it means we are talking about households, we are talking about farms, we are talking about government, and we are talking about rest of the world. Okay, this circulation of money moves among these four sectors. All right, so what is this circular flow? It is defined as the flow of payments and receipts of goods and services and factor services. I hope you all know the meaning of factor services. What is factor services? Factor services means services provided by factors of production in form of land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. Okay, what are these? These are called as factor services. Means households are providing land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur to firms. All right, so factor services are provided by households, while in return firms are providing factor payments. What are providing? Factor payments. Factor payments in form of land is given rent, labor is given wages, capital is given interest, and entrepreneur is given profit. Okay, so what are these? These are called as factor payments. Factor payments matlab those payments which are given by the firms to households. All right, class? Yes, but in our syllabus we don't have role of ROW or rest of the world and government sector. We have simply circular flow of income between two sectors, and the question comes like explain circular flow between two sectors or explain two sector model of circular flow. All right, yes, now coming to the types of circular flow. There are two types. One is the real flow and other is the money flow. What is real flow? Real flow is exchange of goods and services. What is real flow? Real flow means exchange of goods and services between household sector and firms. And money flow means exchange of money between these two sectors. Between these two sectors means households and firms. Yes, we have closed economy. In closed economy, what is there? Only two sectors are there. One is the household and other is the firms. But nowadays all economies are open economies. All right, all economies are open economies. What we do, we exchange our goods with rest of the world. We exchange goods and services with rest of the world. All right, that is why Here, according to CBSE syllabus, we are explaining circular flow of money between two sectors. Here some assumptions are given. One is two sectors only, household sector and firms. Household owns factors of production. Household receives factor payments for services of factors of production. Production activities take place in firms only. Both household and firms have zero savings, no government operations or international trade. I told you no role of government, no role of international trade. What we are doing, we are taking example of closed economy. Alright, according to closed economy, there are only two sectors. One is the household sector and other is the firms or producers. You can see in this diagram, first is given here households and these are the firms. Firms are the producers. Alright, what is happening? These households are providing factor services to firms, and in return firms are providing them goods. All right, this inner circle is called as real flow. All right, while the outer circle is called as money flow, because in outer circle we can see exchange of money. All right, so I hope the concept is clear to you. What is real flow? Real flow means when goods and services are exchanged between two sectors, and money flow means when money is exchanged between two sectors. It is given here difference between money flow and real flow. First is given movement of factor services from household to firms. I told you कि initially factor services are provided by households to firms, and what they do, they convert these factor services into goods. Alright, movement of goods and services from firms to households. And in money flow, what happens? Movement of money as factor payments. If you remember, I told you what is factor payment. Factor payment is the remuneration or payment to factors of production for their services from firms to households. And in return, what happens? Movement of money as payment for goods and services from household to firms. What is happening? When households are getting money, so what they will do? They will return this money in form of prices of goods purchased from firms. Thank you, beta. That's all for today's class.